Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you know where I am, you know. Now I believe this once had some water in it. Lots of bottles hanging up. Probably would have been quite nice once it was running. Water would have run down and through all the different holes in it, and probably the bottles would even make a nice noise in the wind. This is a nice little cafe sort of bar when it's open. I think possibly Dutch, yep, Dutch bar. There used to be a nice little cafe place here. It's just the back of Finelli's now. Oh no, there it is. Nice little cafe bar. In the summer, they have all little tables out here where you can sit. It's very pleasant. That was a second-hand shop, but I'm not sure actually what it is now. Little plant shop. Oh, look at them. Aren't they sweet? With the little butterflies. And they are very unusual. So hit the like, guys, hit the share, hit subscribe as always, and I will see you on the next video.